Okay, another one is teeth grinding or bruxism. People feel like that is normal. Like, I mean, I've been chewing my teeth or grinding my teeth at night, or my kids or my husband or my wife has been doing this. I thought it's normal. Just like snoring as well. People ignore it because they feel like, it's normal, to snore, but it is not. When you brux, obviously you hurt your TMJ, you hurt your teeth, you crack your teeth. Also the snoring as well, you might be having sleep apnea. So please check that as well, either with the ENT or with your dentist. Please check on that as well.